Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video tonight, I'm going to start off with just a very brief review here of the S&P futures. Obviously, a huge day for the markets on the back of comments from Powell, and the biggest overhead resistance decision that I am watching, which is a psychological value. It also has other technical merit, but it's essentially to say, after such a huge move higher, could we pause at 4,100, and could this be a major area of resistance that sends the index back towards 4,000? I think you could absolutely see that. So, I'm acknowledging the resistance overhead. I'm acknowledging that Thursday's data could be a bit of an inflection point against that. But, if we can just maybe put these couple of equity picks in a vacuum, which is to say that we're looking at them without considering the S&P, I want to show you a couple of names here that I think really have great setups forming. And I like using the 195-minute chart because it divides the 390-minute cash session into two bars, right? So instead of having a single daily bar, well, now you have two 195-minute bars. It just sets things up in a way. Let me show you by starting with Boeing, where if I'm looking at Boeing off of the daily chart, I have nothing on my squeeze. And in pretty much every one of these free videos that I do with you guys, I'm always anchored to the squeeze. Well, there's no actionable signal there. But if I take that daily bar and then break it up into two pieces, look at the squeeze that you see now. So just take it from that very basic concept that says a squeeze with a reversion to the 21 EMA. That is a pattern that is ready, or at least has the potential for higher prices. So I want to look at the chance of Boeing up into 200 for the witching expiration. And then I also want to show you Sunrun. So Sunrun, a little bit more affordable name here at the $32 price point, but focusing on the same setup where you see that 195-minute squeeze, you see coming back into the 21 EMA, and then a just beautiful bid up into the close. So I think that one is destined for 36, if not 40, and that's a couple different ways to take advantage of the same setup. So I hope you find that helpful, can incorporate it into your trading into the December expiration. Y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in one of the rooms tomorrow.
Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.